my god, I died! Oh my god! Jeez! Oh, I'm tied to the bottom of the ocean. Arigato! Have you been drinking too much?
They gotta hit hard.
I know, dude. They just keep hitting me and it just gets worse and worse.
It's like a dead end or something.
I don't know.
Oh no, there's babies over here.
Yeah. Dude, I'm down again. Damn babies. Buckshot. Damn, we need to find this freaking what's it called? Oh! What was that sound? Oh! What? Reese, did you just hit me?
Oh my god,
Oh.
I'm trying to help you.
Oh my god, I died!
Can't see shit.
Oh, I'm in the goo.
Oh, I'm in the goo also.
I love the goo. The goo is my friend. Oh hey, my backpack.
Where's my shit? Oh, there's my shit.
Oh hey, the lady's out here.
What lady? Oh.
The three-legged hot mama. She's behind that tree. Hi. Are you crying, you big baby? I didn't even do anything to you. Oh, hi. What are you doing? Nobody did anything to you. She really just ran 5 feet and laid down?
Yeah.
I swear, if we get back and our stuff is all damaged.
Oh, one of your boys.
Oh, my boy.
Try to put a stick in him.
Yeah. This is what I say to that. Oh my god! Reese?
Are you down?
Yeah. I was trying to grab my gun.
You don't have bullets.
Oh, I forgot. Oh, they were crossing the river for us. Suckers!
I wonder if he's still getting wood, or if he... If there's a whole bunch of wood there, that'd be pretty nice.
Right.
But there's
That would
like
be
no
nice.
pieces.
Are those elk?
Yeah.
Oh, they're moose. Come here, moosey, 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 moosey.
Must be nice.
Oh, you're fast. Damn, how'd you get so far ahead of me?
What do you mean? Oh, whoa. He's so far behind. Yo.
Don't tell me there's something wrong.
No,
oh my god! Jeez!
Bruh. Is that how you make a door?
I guess so.
I don't think that's how you make it to work. Let me see.
Well, it said to cut them out.
Oh yeah, then you have to do panels.
Yeah.
Oh, how'd you do that? I need
There we
one
go.
more.
Okay, there we go. Now we got a door. He won a little bit of my blessing.
He isn't so fast.
Yeah. For now. You can take a break, I guess. Loser.
I think this is the last vlog.
Never mind, you can't take a break.
Actually, you're right over. I'm up here, in the Lord's work.
Oh, yeah.
It's so much easier to make these.
Oh, yeah, you can parkour up there. Hey! Hey! Oh! Oh!
Yeah, I might see better. No!
Nope. Here, have it.
Kelvin. No, Kelvin.
Okay, Kelvin. I need you to... Good job. Take a break, buddy.
Take a break. Oh, I got you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Killed me? No! Oh, I'm tied to the bottom of the ocean. There's still a spear in me, though. Oh,
Wait, are you in a plane wreckage?
maybe. I swear, if a freaking shark gets me, Reese. Oh, what the heck?
A shark. I thought you were in the plane wreckage.
Alright, Calvin. Go get more logs. Drop them here. Oh, nice! Poor thing's still squirming around, you jerk.
Oh, there's another door.
Oh, yeah.
Just kill Kelvin. You killed him!
Calvin, wake up! Calvin!
Bro.
Who's gonna gather our wood now? Can we eat his legs?
I don't know, that's what I'm trying to do.
Bro. I didn't know I could actually kill him. I thought he would respawn. He better
No,
respawn.
he does not respond.
I bet you he's gonna stand up in like 10 minutes. Just wait.
Alright. What is dead body?
Yeah, let's put him in the ocean. You know, why don't we just blow him up so he flies into the ocean?
I do have a time bomb, but I don't want to wait.
Let's see if I have a time bomb, because I'm willing to use it for our good friend Kelvin. Alright, watch out, Reese.
You actually have one.
Yeah. Oh! It's gonna blow him back this way.
My ears are ringing.
Watch out, dude!
You didn't tell me that you put another one.
Well, it landed right next to you as you were running. Oh, Kelvin. Oh, you're stepping all over him.
Yeah, push.
You're just disgracing him.
He's going in the water. He's kind of easy.
Oh. Yeah, he's kind of making his way. Oh, yeah, now he's drifting.
Oh, he's gonna come back in with the tide.
Come on, Kelvin! Oh no! Going back towards the... Come on,
No, just
Kelvin!
just run straight. He's stuck on you. Oh, there he goes.
Oh. Bye, Kelvin.
Kelvin.
Now what are we gonna do? Now we gotta gather our own logs? That sucks.
Bro!
I jumped on it, okay? How was I supposed to know?
You broke my house.
I guess it can't hold me in my weight. There we go.
Good enough. Bro.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Not I'm dumb. Why is Kelvin not back?
He's swimming.
Yeah, he's just enjoying the ocean right now. Don't forget to come up for air, Kelvin. Give me the feathers. What?
Weaved all my attacks.
Oh yeah. I'm just that good. Kelvin couldn't even get me.
Good guy. He's just done. A bit. Oh yeah, you can kill her. Please don't
Oh,
kill her.
I will. Hey, we need a replacement. Wait, is she bringing me something?
Oh yes.
She's holding something
Yeah.
and she's bringing
Yeah,
me
sometimes
something.
she did.
Arigato. She brought me aloe. Ouch. No, no. Reese, your girlfriend's running around. Get her.
Let's throw a rock at her.
Hey, Shawty. She brought me aloe, Reese. She likes me. She hates you.
She's kind of fast.
Oh, she coming your way, Reese. Reese, watch out. Reese!
What?
She literally ran right past you. Hey. Hey. Hey, three legs. Whoa! Whoa, no, I don't think so. Dang it.
Where's she gonna see Kelvin?
Dude, go heal Calvin. Go heal him. Oh, she did the switchback. Did you get her?
No.
Oh, I got her. Hi.
Did you?
I'm helping you.
Okay, don't hit her. Don't kill her.
Okay. We helped you. We're friends. Have you been drinking too much? She likes me.
Yeah, but you just stabbed her. Stop looking in the water. Let's get them.
That's Kelvin. Oh, I hit him with a rock.
You know what this is?
What is that? Oh my god, no, sir! Reese, are you gonna really ruin all that Calvin did for us?
Your boy!
My boy, what's up? Oh my god! Hey, get away from there.
Fuck up the girl.
Reese, I have friends. Damn, dude, he packs a punch.
God, bro. Alright, then who's that dead body? How you hit me?
No, I didn't. Nope, that wasn't me.
Oh, that's the big one.
Oh yeah, I love this police brutality weapon. Oh, you're the one that killed me earlier.
Yo, you're running.
I know. I just tased you.
At least Kelvin will have some buddies.
Yeah. He's just swimming with his friends.